Hey guys, I'm your host, I'm your host Shubhro. Welcome back to my channel Shubhro the Geek. So today I have with us another watch, another smartwatch, or you can call it an activity tracker actually. These are not smartwatches, these are activity tracker with some watch faces. That's the maximum thing you can say about this kind of products. So I have a new activity tracker with a smartwatch face, which the company calls as a smartwatch. I don't know why, but yeah, I have it another one with me. So today I have a Boat Watch Flash. I purchased it from Amazon for a amount of rupees 21.99 during Great Indian Sale. It was selling for 19.99, but I couldn't get it for that time. But I purchased it for a bit higher price of 21.99, and here it is with me. It just got delivered, and today I'll be unboxing the watch and giving you an overview of the watch so that you can understand what are the things you get inside the box and what are the features of the watch primarily. After posting the unboxing, I'll take 2 weeks, and in those 2 weeks I'll be testing the watch on very harsh conditions, like all the time wearing it and I'll be walking a lot and everything. I'll be calculating with it, and after I'm done with the testing of the watch for 2 weeks, I'll be posting a complete review of the watch. And if by that time if the watch doesn't perform as it says, I'll be returning it and I will be posting a review, same as I did for Tag Verb Ultra, as you have seen in the last week. So guys, that's it for the intro. I am your host Shubhro. You are watching Shubhro the Geek. Let's start, shall we? Guys, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please hit the bell notification icon so that you get updated with this kind of video. And if you like this kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. That would help me a lot. So guys, without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So on the box here, as we can see, we have the Boat branding and we have written Watch Flash. And we have some features written on the box. That is 1.3-inch full touch LCD display, slim metallic design. It's a metallic design, but it's not metal. We have some cloud faces, and here you can see the watch itself. And on this side, it's flaunt your fitness, and it's scale Raoul over here. And on the back, we have the few primary features which it has been given over here: call and text notification, reminders, sedentary and target reaching, camera control and music control, blood oxygen, heart rate monitor, multiple sports mode, weather forecast, find my phone, compatibility with different versions of Android and iOS, IP68 water resistance. Guys, please keep that in mind, it's water resistance. And the price quoted on the box is, I don't see any price quoted on the box. Yeah, I don't see any price quoted on the box, but I purchased it for 21.99 from Amazon Great Indian Festival. You can get it, it's available right there. So let's cut open the seals and see what are the contents inside the box. So at the very onset, we get the watch itself and the strap is fitted onto it. So let's keep the watch to the side and let's check what are the things inside the box. So inside it we get the charging dock, the Pogo charger, yeah, if I'm not wrong, yeah, the Pogo charger with 2 magnets. It attaches with the watch over here. I may be holding it the wrong side, yeah. It will attach like this, and yeah, there's a charging thing. It says it can give up about 7 days of battery life, but we need to check that out. We have some paperwork over here and the instruction manual and a warranty card. So let's keep these things to the side and let's check the watch out itself. So as you can see, the watch over here, it gives a very premium feel when you have a big wrist. And then what are the things? It has a sticker over here. It is kind of metallic finish. It's a polycarbonate, made out of polycarbonate. We have the sensors, we have the charging pin, and the strap is easily replaceable. As you can see, we have the pins over here. It's a easily replaceable strap, and the strap quality is so not that very good. It's not that soft, it's quite stiff, and I am thinking of changing the strip itself. And that's it. This is the watch. So let's power it on and let's see. We have the dial which rotates, but I don't think it will be doing anything on rotating. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, we have another sticker applied on the back, and on the back we have the boat branding over here, and over here it says boat watch flash and no disposable. That's another sign. Yeah, that's it for the overview. Let's peel off the sticker and let's see what are the things we get and power it on. To power this on, let's press this for a couple of seconds. I think it should have some charge. Yeah, it has, and it gave me a haptic feedback. Yeah, this is the watch itself. So moving from down to up, we get the steps, then the heart rate, then the sleep, and then weather and music controls. Yeah, that's all we get inside the box. And on moving from left to right, we get the back button. Again, on the home screen, if we go from left to right, we get the message notification tray, and from right to left we get the different menu what it's inside it. So we have the sports mode. So it has walk, run, cycling, climb, yoga, basketball, football, badminton, skip and swim. These are the things. You can press this to go to the home. This is also acts as a back button. So you have the breath meditation, the camera shutter, blood oxygen is SpO2, stopwatch, find my phone, screen sleep, and then watch faces. So we need to change the watch faces from here. So let's change some watch faces. Yeah, you can move up. Not this one, not this one. Yeah. It's a so touch response, as you can see. I don't like. Let's go for this watch face. Yeah, this is kind of nice, I think. So it locks it, and again let's go to the then watch face. After that we have stopwatch, find my phone, screen sleep, watch faces, reset, power off, QR code, and about. That's about it for the watch, as you can see. And let's go back and let's see what so from coming up from up to down, we get the brightness, do not disturb. This is the brightness, this is the flashlight, and this is the notification tray. Pretty basic, and I think it will get the job done for you. So that was all for the unboxing and overview of the watch. I will be connecting it with my phone and testing it out for 2 weeks, and then I will be posting a review out of it. So guys, thank you for watching. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, a sub to the channel would be a nice gesture. Please like the video, please share it with your friends, and please comment anything which you like. Guys, that was all for the day. I was your host Shubro, signing off.